Good morning my all students, welcome in my new channel Universal Chemistry Lab. I am talking about all types of indicator which is used in a determination of acidic solution and basic solution. First of all, I am filled with acidic solution in these test tube, and then another side I will fill NaOH basic solution in this test tube. And then basic solution okay guys, these are indicators in which thiamethylene, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, universal indicators. These are chemical indicators, and turmeric, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, these are natural indicators. First, thiamethylene. We can use thiamethylene for the determination of acidic solution and basic solution. Some drop of thiamethylene used in acidic solution and then in basic solution. In acidic solution, thiamethylene color unchanged, that is a colorless, but in basic solution thiamethylene gives blue color. Then methyl orange. In acidic solution, some drop of methyl orange, and in basic medium some drop of methyl orange used by drop. We can see that methyl orange give red color in acidic medium and yellow color in basic medium. It is a yellow color in basic medium, and then phenolphthalein. It is a chemical indicators. Use some drop in acidic medium and some drop in basic medium. We can see in acidic medium no any effect of phenolphthalein, that is a colorless, but in case of basic medium phenolphthalein gives pink color. And then next indicator is universal indicator. In acidic medium and in basic medium. Universal indicators in acidic mediums give red color. But in basic medium, universal indicator gives blue color, deep blue color. And next indicator is a natural indicator, is known as turmeric. Turmeric used in a acidic medium and turmeric used in a basic medium. No any change in color of turmeric. No change in color of turmeric, that is unchanged in acidic medium. But in case of basic medium, turmeric powder color change to red. And then blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper we can use some drop of acid. Some drop of acid, blue litmus change into red. In acidic medium, and red litmus paper no change in color, that is unchanged in acidic medium. But in case of basic medium, we can use blue litmus paper no any change color on blue litmus paper by using basic solution. But in case of red litmus paper, color change to blue. It is a complete examination of all type of indicator is a given. You can see like this. Here acidic solution, here basic solution. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you very much.